Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up an availability date for a lesson or a quiz in Academy. Sometimes you may want lessons or specific quizzes to set up on certain date. This helps make the learning process more structured and effective. For this, you can use the availability date feature. To set it up, open the lessons, click the three dots near lesson title and choose lesson settings. Then enable Add Availability Date and configure the settings. Here you can set the date and time when the lesson becomes available, the time zone, cover image, title visible to learners, and description visible to learners. You can also choose whether the availability date will be displayed in the learner's navigation. Once you've configured all the settings, click Save. From the admin side, the availability date will be displayed in the lesson list. On the learner side, the appearance will depend on your settings. They will either see the release date or a message about when the lesson becomes available. This feature helps you better plan your learning flow and release content at the right time. I hope this helps and good luck with the Academy!